Let me show you how to contact customer support of PayPal. Whether you're having issues with the payment or having technical issues on your PayPal, let me show you the steps that you need to follow to find the help of customer support in PayPal. Inside of the PayPal, what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and find Contact Us. Now, if you're using the app of PayPal, it is better that you use a web browser. Whether you're using a laptop or from a phone, you can just open up a web browser, search for paypal.com, and then log into your account. Now, here click on Contact Us. Once you're inside of the Contact Us page, either you can choose to message them or directly call. For this video, I'm just going to use the message us option. If you want, you can also directly call them. So click on the message us option. This way, a PayPal assistant will open up. Now, PayPal assistants are useful to solve your problems instantly. However, if the assistant cannot solve your problems and you're still having issues after you went through a long conversation with the PayPal assistant, then PayPal will transfer the call or the message to the customer support agent. So firstly, try to see if your issues or your queries are solved by the PayPal assistant. If they are not, PayPal will transfer this message to a person from the customer support. So using these few options, you'll be able to contact and get the help of the customer support team from PayPal. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.